Okay, so today I took a trade on Nasdaq. I said yesterday I was only going to be trading on Nasdaq. From today, I think that's going to change again back to ES because I think today I was kind of seeing the mistakes I was making. As you can tell, it was a loss, which is a bit annoying, but I did learn a few things, which is good. So coming into the market, I'll get into it. Coming into the market. The 4 hour was bullish because we had obviously bullish order flow, we had fair value gaps get respected in, we had lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then a higher low here. Price also disrespected this 4 hour fair value gap to the upside, which instigated to me that we were going to make a higher high. I then went out into the 1 hour and we had a order block here, which I'm going to call it an order block. I marked it out at the start of the session. I haven't done enough forward testing if I should be calling it an order block, but it's an order block to me. We had this order block here and I basically wanted price to come down. If I went on the 15-minute, you could see there was a lot of liquidity down here. So we still had the high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. And then obviously here we broke that structure, but I'll get into that. So we had this order block, price respected it nicely. But when I came into the trade, we had news at 10. Obviously I was bullish. I thought market was going to go bullish. And then at 10 o'clock, price swept liquidity here, which made me look for bearish trades. So price swept liquidity there, and this was the trade I took. If I can mark it, if I go back, flipping out. Here we go. This is the trade I took. So we swept liquidity. Then in my head we had bearish order flow because we had a lower low, if it counts, lower low here. We had this 1 5-minute fair value gap. So there was only 1 5-minute fair value gap getting respected. This one didn't get respected, but it didn't get disrespected. And then we had a 5-minute rejection fair value gap here. Price came down, disrespected that. And then it also broke 5-minute structure here. And then with this candle, it disrespected a 15-minute and an hourly fair value gap. So we had this 15-minute fair value gap, which was the lowest here. It disrespected that. Also disrespected the hourly fair value gap, which was the lowest one here. So I just thought price was going to go lower over that. What I didn't see was price had these equal lows here. Price obviously came down in pre-market, didn't sweep this low out, came back up, swept this high, and obviously was heading for this liquidity. So if I would have got a trade here, if I caught a trade somewhere up here, that would have been amazing, and I would have made my take profits at these equal highs. Sorry, I was off camera there. At these equal lows, sorry. I didn't see these. I just thought price swept it. I didn't really pay that much attention. And I set my take profits here and my last one at the 4 hour low. So even though I was bullish, I still traded bearish, which was my mistake. So yeah, I can see why I was wrong, because order flow was so bullish. I even said I want price to come down here. I think also this was EQ. If I go here, I think. Yeah, so this was OTE of price. So I should have, that was where I wanted price to come down, and then I would have gone bullish, which you can see it did. So yeah, from here on, I think I'm gonna start having a bias, because I started off having a bias when I started trading. And if I quickly show you my results, my results were very good. As you can see here, these are my results. We had one loss here out of all these. So yeah, so we had a win, 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 win. And then recently, where I've started having no bias, we've had a loss, loss, lots more losses when I'm having a mixed bias. So I think I'm going to go back to having a bias and trading that bias, sticking to that bias. Obviously, if market shows me something against that bias and that it's changing bias, I would, like if it's in a choppy market. But the fact we're in such a trending market, going up, and I'm still trading bearish is just pretty stupid, to be honest. I can't catch a big trade because I'm trying to catch this little trade, even with the trade I want to catch is this big one. So yeah, that's where I'm going wrong. I need to have a bias. I need to set bias because I'm trying to trade a bearish trade when the market is clearly very bullish. Obviously, if you catch this bearish trade, then you're in luck. But look how many bearish trades you have out of all the bullish days. So yeah, win some, you lose some. I have learned something definitely from this trade, which is good. Obviously, mentally it's hard because I've taken the past 2 weeks haven't been great trading. But yeah, I know where I've gone wrong. And I'm basically really all I'm trading here was I saw a liquidity sweep, I saw a fair value gap, I saw a rejection, and I traded it, and I saw a break structure, and I traded it. Whereas that's just my confidence is hitting. I need to actually see trading that really, because obviously these equal lows, they were obviously going to get taken out, and that would have been a perfect liquidity sweep, sorry, and liquidity grab as well, which I didn't pay attention to, and obviously price has gone off since then. So yeah, we go again tomorrow. Maybe not trading tomorrow because it's CPI, but Friday should be a good trading day. So the things I need to take from this basically is to have a bias, trade a bias. I'm going to go back to trading ES and NQ, trading both of them, because then I feel like I have more of a feel for what market's doing because they're so similar. But yeah, so I'm gonna start trading with a bias, sticking to that bias. Obviously, my bias can change, but every day so far I've gone in with a mixed bias, which just isn't good. So yeah, having a bias, having where I want price to come to. If it comes to that, then I start going for my trades. So yeah, I'll probably see you back here Friday.